Hello and welcome back. I'm Nicole, a cottage witch, and today I've got mail. I was gonna film another One Deck Gone Wild today, but this came today. And this is a subscription box from Hegswag, which is a Canadian subscription box. It's a bit late because it's a one-woman show, and she messaged everybody to say things were gonna be a bit late. So this is technically from October, getting it in December. But look, oh wait, is this 2 months worth? This might be 2 months worth. Okay, so there's the Calia, which is with thistles and everything. That is so cool. I love it. I love it. And so it comes with a list of what's in it. And then this is the Poisoner's Apothecary, which I think was the November one. So I was just expecting this to be October, but I think it's both, which no complaints from me. Okay, so mess incoming. Here we go. All right, so there is some mullein, which is lovely. I do have a bit of dried mullein, but mine didn't do very well on my balcony this year. For respiratory illnesses, yeah, lovely. Winter warmth tea with peppermint, mullein, St. John's wort, lemon balm, burdock root, and poppy. That's interesting. Oops, got tipped upside down. Didn't seem to have leaked though. But look at that. I don't know if you can see that properly on camera, but it's still got bits of plantain, which is technically gonna make it not last as long, but is very pretty. So this is the crone, and this was the crone ritual oil. Cedar, rue, patchouli, amethyst, and oak moss. Cool. Now I have to see how that smells. I mean, it smells like fall going on winter, so that's about it. This must be for the Calia as well, because of the, what is this? Some sort of Celtic knot situation. I can't remember. All right, this is the crone candle, Wisdom Change Hermitage. Well, I definitely feel like a hermit these days. Ooh, that smells very interesting. It's got some amethyst in there as well, it looks like. Let's see. Does it say what the scent is? Amethyst, cedar, and rue. Oh, it must be the rue that I can smell. Not entirely sure I'm keen on that, but oh well. Cedar I like, for sure. I've never used rue before, actually. Maybe I should give it a chance. Winter's Firebomb. For aches and pains and inflammation. Cayenne, mint, olive oil, and beeswax. Ooh. Cayenne, mint, olive oil. Never used cayenne in a balm before. That's interesting. Do not use an open wounds in your eyes. Huh. Interesting. Aches and pains and inflammation. I'll have to look into that. I've never used either cayenne or mint for that before, but that's interesting. I might learn something new this month, which is always exciting. Okay, I think this is the Poisoner's Apothecary side. Iceland lichen. Lichens are so cool and so weird. All right, so this says, this lichen is thought to aid everything from respiratory health to urinary tract infections. Cool. All right, this must be the blue goldstone, I expect. Oh, blue goldstone and something. Yep, so this will be the blue goldstone, which I think, I don't know if you can see the sparkles. I think it's a man-made stone, but it's very cool. And the, you know, autistic 6-year-old in me really enjoys it. And, oh, this is the Jasper Heart. Okay. Heart of Winter. It sustains and supports you during times of crisis. It brings wholeness and reminds people to help and care for each other. Cool. Do I have any jasper? I might, but not much if I do. Of course, I don't have a lot of crystals, but if I have jasper, I've forgotten about it, which is not impossible. All right. Shadow Work Herbal Elixir. That also sounds lovely. I'm really enjoying this box so far. Borage, Foxglove, Snowdrop, Poppy, and Yellow Star Tulip, Rose Glycerite, Hibiscus Glycerite. Oh, I see. So flower essences of Foxglove, Snowdrop, and Poppy. Okay. I have never used flower essences before, and haven't actually worked much with poisonous plants except for a little bit with henbane, because it grows near me. It's not supposed to grow near me, but I'm not sure when it's ever followed the rules. So what can you do? Actually, I'll take this out next. What is this? Phenicif... I cannot read that word. Pheneficium candle. Is it a candle? Use this candle in meditation when looking to find the balance. And then a few Latin words that I will have to look up. The dose makes the poison, topped with jasper and rose. Oh, this is the perfume. That makes way more sense. I was like, that's the weirdest looking liquid candle I've ever seen. Smoky Floral Dark Woods. This all-natural perfume oil has been crafted through the Scorpio eclipse season. A little goes a long way. That I believe. Okay, I like that. That's lovely. Smoky Floral Dark Woods. Yep. Check. Okay. This will be the candle. That makes so much more sense. I'm an idiot. Okay. Beneficium candle. Altar spaces and ritual candle. Ooh. Cool. So topped with jasper and rose. Lovely. I will definitely use that probably very soon. Maybe tonight. And this is the Datura ointment. Oh, that's a funny smell. Datura and Arnica salve. Apply to sore spots, never use on open wounds. Alright, olive oil, beeswax, Arnica, coconut oil, Datura extract. I might have to see what essential oils are in it before I actually use it as a salve, because I can't smell any citrus, but if there is citrus in there, I can't use it on my skin because it makes me allergic to the sun, which is super fun. All right, I think that's probably everything. The rest of this will become mulch for my garden, or the birds will steal it and use it for their nests, which is honestly what usually happens. But hey, it's better than plastic. So that's very cool. I enjoy these boxes. So these are called the Hagswag box, and this is both the Kalia box and the Poisoner's Apothecary. So that is amazing. And I know she was running a bit behind, and she outsourced some of the things that she usually does for her small business to another shop, so she could focus on getting these caught up. So that's fine. I'm not gonna hold it against somebody if it's a one-person business. That's just too harsh. They're not Amazon. And I've gotten a couple other boxes before, and they always seem to be really good quality products. And yeah, these ones also are very intriguing. Some of them are new to me plants, which is exciting, because like Iceland lichen, never used. Mullein I've used. A lot of these poisonous plants I've never used. So that's a lot of fun, and I'm going to enjoy that immensely. I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.